Puilano jotono lamjogo Tripura Writers Forum YouTube channel dayo. Faidengke tini jeng English koglop tangsa jeng khangnagai naileno suinai wngkha Sarup Tripura. Koglopni bumung wngkha Tripura, the melody of words. In the rolling hills where spirit resides, where nature's beauty spreads far and wide, a language sings in melody tones, a poem in Tripura language, let it be known. The river whisper in gently flow as the mountain stands tall, a grand tableau. Tripura, the language of our land, in every word a story so grand. With graceful words we paint our tale. In Tripura language our voice prevail. From ancient times to present days, a language that echoes forever stays. Oh, Tripura language, the essence of our soul. In every verse your spirit unfolds. In every line we cherish our roots, preserving the cultures our heritage report. Through your rhythm and rhyme, we celebrate our vibrant prime. Tripura, the language of our heart, a symphony of words, a word of art. Let the birds dance upon the page, each word a bird stroke, a vibrant stage. Tripura, our language so dear, filling our soul with joy and cheer. In every poem, we find our voice, celebrating Tripura, our cherished choice. May its beauty and power forever shines. Tripura, our language divine.